So, what is it? The noise is too much. Noise everywhere. Welcome. I'm sure you are coming from the reels or my anywhere you saw this short video. You are welcome. This one will not be very short, but it's going to be very impactful. So stay with me. So much noise. So much noise. All countries of the world, there is so much noise. There is noise of interest rates high. There's noise of mortgages, debts. There's noise of inflation everywhere. Both the rich, the poor, everybody is crying. Yes. They don't just want to tell you the truth. Everybody is hurting except me. Yes. And why am I so peaceful in times of trouble? Because I know that when there is so much harmattan, which is dust will always find its way to a house that is closed up. And that is why when there is so much cold will find his way into your house that has a door, unless you help yourself by putting a heater. Every season of your life, there is something you can use to change that season for your good. Whether you live in coast to coast, Africa, Nigeria, it's the same thing everywhere. Number one, go to the comment section. If you're in debt or you owe in Nigeria, why can't you pay now that your dollar is better? If you owe internationally, why can't you pay now that you have so much naira? You want to run away and keep somewhere else. There is no safe nest for anything called money that is not being used. So, I'm talking in concept of peace and prosperity. Without peace, you cannot prosper. Because once you are afraid, you will be in what I call tension mood. And every decision you take when you are tensed always end out to be negative. Calm down, relax, breathe in, relax. What has not happened before? Since I was born, all these things I'm saying that is making everybody just so much noise that I had to buy a big headphone. Has happened before. When my father was growing up, his friends abroad wanted to come back to Nigeria. There was cold. It has up to today. It's still cold. Up to today, many of them work and there's nothing to show for it. So it's the same thing now. In Nigeria, how many of them wanted to go there too? The same thing that happened. So it's just that we are just now more aware of our environment. And that is supposed to be an advantage, not disadvantage. Social media is supposed to be an advantage. Oh my God. If only you know what you should do in this season. So many people that I'm coaching now, they are cashing out. So many people also that are investing now, they are cashing out. How do you turn this season to become your money-making machine? Number one, relax. Breathe down. Are you done? If you are truly done, just go to the comment section. Let me know that you just write relax and smile. Take a cup of tea and drink. Cool down. That's number one. Number two, take yourself away from anything that puts you under pressure for the next 2 weeks. Let us do cleansing for 21 days. Cleansing. Like cleaning off this information that make your BP to rise. Cleansing. Number two. Number three, if you have money, whether it's dollar, whether it's naira, become currency broke. That's the real one. When things happen like this, even to work, you'll be tired. To save, you'll be tired. To invest, you'll be tired. To plan, you'll be tired. Way forward, you'll be tired. They've got you where they want you. That's all they wanted. To make you unproductive. And if you can see balance in your phone, the productivity will go to zero, minus zero. Because all you will be looking at, this balance. Yeah, if I spend it now. Yeah. No, now, first of all, make the balance zero. Yes, this is what you will do with your balance. Number one, if you can buy anything that can produce money, go and buy it. Anything that can produce money. Not something that you don't understand how it will produce money. You know, there's some things that right now they are pushing to you, because you are so confused now. You are attracting all the negative investments. You want MMM now. Make money now. Double your money now. If they know how to double the money, why are they telling you they should double their own and continue to double their own until they become too big and send us out? They don't even have anything they are doing. They are using your own to enjoy. So, anything that is double, sharp, fast. No. The reason why you should be investing now is not because of the return. It's because that once you are currency broke, your head will start working. When you have money, and there's a standard of life that you live, and now there's no money nowhere, you will discover that you are so intelligent and you can be creative. So, you don't know what to do with the money. Dollar, naira, ask me. Ask me. You like the dollar investment? Send a mail, graceofure.com, and tell me. I'm going to tell you what to do. Number 2. Number 4. It's naira you have, and you still left it somewhere. Even if it's 10 naira. There is no foolishness and stupidity that is worse than that. I will tell you what to do. And even if you hear that this thing I want you to do is just 1% increment, the idea is not the increment. It's what will happen to you when you really are broke and you need to eat tomorrow morning. Then I will not tell you how to convert your mess to prosperity when you cannot pay your bills tomorrow morning. You see this, our head that God has given us, can make you a billionaire in the next 6 months. Try me. Can you go through this who anoint me? This transformation of your pocket, mind. Why do people suffer in the midst of lack? Everything that is happening around the world, I'm using it to cash out. And I want to bring you to my word. Cash out time. So you cannot, until you do what I have said, until you do what I did, cash broke. Then we can talk. And I begin to guide you. Now you can use everything around you to make the next big targeted resources that you need. Yes. I will begin to guide you. You will not steal. Your mind has it all. So, you work. Don't get frustrated at your job. Don't begin to think of your salary at that job. It's a blessing. And you can even order. There's a book that is coming that will blow your mind on 9 to 5. Don't worry about that. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about how to turn your worst situation to become blessings. It's a global problem. So, are you ready? Comment section. If you are ready, I've given you my email address. Send me a mail. Don't expect the reply almost immediately. Just wait for the reply. Once I reply you, I'll send you somewhere where we can have time to talk secretly. So many things are happening in the secret. I'm willing and ready to help at least 1,000 people to become what they did not imagine they could be, even in this day and time. And if you are ready, send me a mail and let's take it up. First of all, you will start by telling yourself the truth. For you to come into this world, for you to come into this system and building, you have to be totally cash broke. Yes. And the little you have, you must obey me. Or, will I use the word obey? Just make up your mind to channel it to the place I might advise you to, based on our discussion. And I'll see you, 1,000 people, by the end of this year. Each of them will come back to say, Grace Ofure indeed was the best thing that happened to my life. Yes, I will beat my hand on my chest. Give me 6 months. Your life will be totally transformed from joy to peace to money to abundance. I'll see you in room 190.